was actually looking for a vehicle that was handicap accessible, that wasn't a van, and Freedom Motors popped up. And when I started looking at your website, someone on that monitors your website started texting, "How can I help you?" That was like 2016 maybe. It was immediate help. They said, "Would you like for someone to bring a demo?" And I said, "Absolutely." Then Ray came, he brought a demo. That was the beginning of our journey with Freedom Motors. At first, it was like, we can't afford it. Then Race, he helped us to understand that there were companies that would finance it longer than the normal 6-7 year contract, which made the payments affordable for us. My daughter didn't want a van because she was a teenager, so that's why we chose the Kia Soul. More cool for her age. And then we're going with the van this time because she just got married 2 weeks ago, and they're going to be starting their family soon. She realizes now she's going to need a van. I didn't have to take her anywhere. She was independent to go and do as she pleased. It was set up just like this. It had the back ramp, the driver's seat's on the track. You just basically push the button, the ramp drops, drive up in it, strap the chair down, push another button, the driver's seat came back beside the motor chair, it's transferred over, transitioned under the steering wheel, and then it has the push-pull bar for the hand control. So total independence. Just thank you for helping our family be successful in life, to make a difference in other people's lives the way you all do, so that we can do the same for others. Appreciate it.